Second topic for development is income and other goals. We have tried to understand that development is related for, like, just we will revise it once again. Development can be different. Different people have different developmental goals. So how to measure the developmental goals or how to achieve it? So income and other goals are there which can help to understand the goal developmental goals. Yeah. So you will notice in one thing in common that people desire, what people desire are regular work. An average army desire, like whenever the person start earning, the person desire that it should have a regular work, better wages, and decent price for their crops or other products that they produce. So this is an example. Each ever sector, whether the person is working in urban areas, rural areas, if it is the laborer, then he needs a proper better wages every day. Yeah. And decent prices if it is a farmer, and if the farmer is going to sell the things, he needs a decent price for their crops or other products that they produce, if there is a manufacturer or something. In other words, they want more income, because simple way of measuring development is more income, and more income will give you a better standard of living. Besides seeking more income, that is one criteria. Yes, we get life, our life become more comfortable, enjoyable, pleasurable with income. We can buy anything which can make our life comfortable, but besides this, there are certain areas which cannot be bought with money. They cannot be measured with level of income. One way or the other way, people also seek things like equal treatment. You can earn, you are working in a company, your earning is very high, your post is very high, but somehow the colleagues which you are having it, they are not treating you well, you are not getting that much of respect. Yeah. So somehow you are not satisfied at the end of the day. Freedom for security, you feel wherever you go to work, wherever you live, yeah, what is your height, you should have security. Okay, my house is safe, my family members are safe, if I go at night also I'm safe, if I'm out of town my family is safe. Yeah. And respect of others, you need respect, or people should look at you with respect. They resent discrimination, they don't like it. Resent means you don't like it. All these are important goals. In fact, in some cases this may be more important, more income or more consumption, because material goods are not at all that you need to live. पैसा सब कुछ नहीं है, you have earning, but you need in your friendship also. Yeah. You need equal treatment, you need respect. Yeah. It's not only that you study in a good school, your parents are sending you in a good school because they earn, or you are paying very high fees, so okay, everything is fine. No, but there are other things which require money, or material things that one can buy with it is one factor on which our life depends, but the equality of our life also depends, the quality of our life also depends on non-material things mentioned above. If it is not obvious to you, then just think of the role of your friend in your life. You may desire their friendship. Similarly, there are many things that are not easily measured, but they mean a lot to our life. These are often ignored. Most of the time we just count with the money. Nowadays, like standard of living, we can buy these things, we can go to so and so restaurant, we can do this. People just concentrate to that, but actually this is not working for a long. However, it will be wrong to conclude that what cannot be measured is not important. See, friendship you cannot measure, respect you cannot, you can just feel it. Yeah. But so if you cannot measure it, it is not related to development, that is completely wrong. Consider this is another example. See, if you get a job in a far off places, so it is out of the town, maybe industry is there or a manufacturing unit, before accepting it, a person before accepting a job, he needs to think so many things. It would try to consider many factors apart from income, such as facilities for the family. Does he has to do every day up and down? If he is doing up and down, he might be spoiling 2 hours or 3 hours in traveling. And if he has to take the family, is the proper health and sanitation is there, proper infrastructure from the family is there, is taking of family is safe there because it is out of the town, is all the basic requirement for the family is there. working atmosphere or opportunity to learn. It's not only working. Every time whenever you join something, you need to add on to your knowledge. So the environment is good, people are good, are they treating you with respect, are they valuing your inputs? So all these things you keep on mind in mind. In another case, a job may give us less pay, so a person is having opportunity with less pay but may offer regular employment that enhances your sense of security. But the employment is regular, the person is going to have a regular income, so somehow is secure. Okay, my life is very secure, every end of every month I'll get certain fixed amount of so all my needs, and I'll able to plan my things and my life. Another job, however, may offer high pay but no job security, and also leave no time for your family. So another job, it's too many long working hours, you're earning a lot but you don't have family time. Maybe it's far away, you're traveling far and off every day, it's very tiring, exhausting. This will reduce your sense of security and freedom. Similarly, for development, people look at mixed goals, so they want to balance it, they want to have maximum it, not only income aspects but as well as other emotional aspects also. It is true that if a woman are engaged in paid work, their dignity in the household and society increases. However, it is also the case that if there is a respect for women, there would be more sharing of housework and a greater acceptance of women working outside. So we don't respect our mothers if their household, they do housework. If you look at nowadays during in lockdown, if you lockdown, you can look at your mother is working round the clock. If she goes and work out these many hours outside, she'll be paid much more better, and she'll gain respect also in the society. A safe and secure environment may allow more women to take up a variety of job and run a business. Hence, the developmental goals that people have are not only about better income but also about their important things in life.